Hello, ninjas. Welcome to the show. I'm going to show you how to embed the Vimeo codes onto your website. So you can see I'm in the Builderall dashboard. I'm in the drag and drop Pixel Perfect. Then I've navigated to my sites, and I've got a demo tutorial site here set up. So I'm going to click Edit. All right, we've got that loaded up. So what we're going to do is go over here to the element bar on the left. We're going to click the plus sign, navigate down to apps, and what we want to do is pick HTML. That's going to insert this box, and this is where you're going to embed your video, and you can resize it and make it fit your page to some extent. You can drag it, drop it, move it around. So what you want to do is head over to Vimeo, whatever video you want to get. I've got one preloaded here. So what you need to do, you can either click up here on the share or down here on the share. You can also open these options, and if you would like to loop your video, which I suggest you do on tutorials or different things, the best part about Vimeo is you can prevent it from going on to the next video like YouTube does, which is distracting to your audience because you've taken all the time to bring your traffic to view your content, and when it's over, if they get interested in something that pops up on YouTube, then away they go and you've lost your traffic. So if you loop your video and it doesn't show those things, then it's not going to pop up. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to the embed code, and you're just going to click on the embed code, and you can copy the embed code, then go back over here to your HTML editor. You're going to hold down Control or right click if you're on a PC. I'm on a Mac, so Control, Edit, and then here's your embed code, your HTML embed code. So you want to go at the before, the less than sign here, copy all of that, delete it, and then embed the other code. Click confirm, and there's your video. So you can resize it a little bit. You can open this to where it shows the text at the bottom. Then you go over here to save. Save again. Remember, save is your friend. You always want to use save. And there you have it. Now you have a Vimeo. Go up here to preview, and we can see what it does. So there's your video. So we get down to the end, and you can see it just loops and starts all over again. So, but it doesn't jump to another video and take your traffic or your eyeballs off your website or your lead magnets or whatever you've set up, and you can contain it. So I hope that helps. Leave anything in the comments that you would like, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks.